The courts, where the attorney representing accused killer Joseph Tejeda told visiting judge Manuel Bañales that he plans to file motions to dismiss a 2016 murder case.
Now, Tejeda remains in jail as he awaits to be tried for capital murder in the death of 21-year-old Breanna Wood. Wood's remains were found in a box near an abandoned building in Robstown. Now, the latest developments came during a status hearing. Our Bill Churchville joins us now with the details in tonight's top story.
Tejeda is one of the longest held inmates at the Nueces County Jail. His attorney says their move is based on the suspect's lack of a speedy trial, and that isn't the only thing brought into question. Tejeda was present for today's talks through video chat. He's represented by Fred Jimenez, who told the judge today that he doesn't believe the Attorney General's office has the authority to take over the case, and also questioned the chain of custody regarding the evidence in the case, saying at one point it looked to have been handed over to a potential witness. It was back in April when we learned the Attorney General's office would proceed with the case instead of the Nueces County District Attorney's office. Assistant AG James Howe says that he was handed 11 boxes containing various documents from the DA's office and is still going through stacks of that information in order to prepare for trial.
One of the boxes had nothing but DVDs in it. And when I say nothing but DVDs, I mean the box is full of DVDs. So we're talking about, I don't know how many, but in the hundreds of DVDs.
What I'm hearing from you is that you don't expect to be ready for trial by the end of this year.
I think that's fair to say, Judge, yes.
Normally speaking, we have a
Now, the visiting judge also doubled down on a gag order previously put in place to ensure that no one discusses the case, saying it could jeopardize the trial, which might not happen until next year.
I will follow that order. I don't know the circumstances why it has not been enforced, but I want everyone to know that if there's a violation, I will enforce the order, and I will apply whatever penalty is allowed.
Now, motions to dismiss could come as soon as next week. The next status hearing will be held on July 15th. Also happening at the courthouse today, opening arguments, and I'll turn it over to you for that information.
All right, thank you, Bill, for that.